running his first marathon.
He got really sick and I knew instantly that something was not right.
If it's not treated, it will run into multi-organ failure.
When the doctors told me I was broken, I didn't want to fix it. I wanted to break it further to see what it was made of.
And I thought there's no way he was fully training.
What is this guy on?
I have to manually calculate every single gram of carb while running a 140-mile race. I needed a ward.
He got hungrier and hungrier.
You can't stop me.
How many percentage of people do Ironmans? That's without diabetes.